Hello and welcome to Regular Achievers Education Unlimited, a trusted support for high impact learning. In this video, we'll be learning about metric conversion. Now, scale and metric conversion. What is a scale? Good question. Scale tells us how measure on drawing or map relate to real life size. Tells us how measurements on a drawing or map relate to real life size. For example, if the distance between two places on a map is 5 cm and the scale is 1 cm to 1 kilometer, then the real distance is 5 times 1, which is 5 kilometers. Scale helps us in map building and model. Now, let's look at metric conversion. How to convert them. Metric conversion is changing units within the metric system. Let's look at some common metric conversion. You might have noticed, but I want to teach you more. Let's look at it. Here, we are going to be having length conversion. That is 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equals to 10 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 10 millimeter, 1000 millimeter. And 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. To convert, we multiply or divide by 10, 100, and 1000. Easy. Let's look at an example. Example metric conversion. Daniel walks 3 kilometers to school every day. How many meters does he walk? Let's look at it from kilometer to meter. Daniel going to school every day. You can see that walking 3 kilometers. How many does he walk in meter? Let's find solution to that. Easy, you know that. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters in our metric conversion. Then we say 3 times 1000. That is 3000. So Daniel walked 3000 meters to school every day. Can you see? From kilometer to meter. Now, try this to test your understanding. Emmanuel measured a field and recorded it as 5 kilometers. What is the length of the field in meter? Oh, you've done that? Very good. Now let's look at the solution. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Then 5 times 1000 equals to 500. Then we can say the length of the field is 5000 meters. Good job. You've done well. You're amazing. Remember, this is Regular Achievers Education Unlimited. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video, and bye.